Hello everyone! Today we make chicken thigh casserole. Those are the materials we need for this recipe. First, I get those materials cleaned and ready for use. Then cut pepper, cut carrot, cut potatoes. I use 2 big potatoes like this. Cut BBQ or oyster mushroom. You can use regular mushrooms instead if you don't have this one. Then cut garlic, ginger, and small purple onions. Next, cut chicken thighs. Because I want the taste go inside the meat, so I don't cut them to big pieces. Add in salt. Add in white pepper powder. Add in light soy sauce. Add in chicken broth. Add in dark soy sauce. Add in oyster sauce. Add in cooking wine. Add in potato starch. Do a little bit stir. Oh, forgot the sugar. Add in sugar. Then stir to mix everything well. Set it aside for 10 minutes. Heat the wok over high heat. When the wok is very hot, add in oil. Then add in the chicken thigh pieces. Stir fry for a couple of minutes to let the bad taste of meat come out. Also, let the fat on the meat melt it. Now, the aroma comes out. So we take the meat out and put them into a plate. The meat looks wonderful. Since when we marinate it, we put some potato starch, then the meat won't become very dry when we stir fry. Next, we use the leftover oil, then add in mushroom pieces. Stir fry the mushroom pieces until the juice comes out. Now, turn the heat to low and move the casserole onto the heat. Then add in oil, add in onion, ginger, garlic, and stir fry until the onion and the garlic pieces are softer. Then dump the mushroom mixture in the wok into the casserole. Add in 1.5 cups of boiling water into the casserole. Add in potato and carrot pieces. Add in light soy sauce. Add in dark soy sauce. Add in salt, add in more salt. Then add in the meat pieces. Now we have everything in the casserole, then we cover it and cook about 13 minutes. Time is up. We open the cover to see how much juice left. If there are still a lot of juice left, Then we need to cook another couple of minutes until there are not too much juice left. Potatoes are well cooked. Now we add in pepper pieces. Stir to make them submerged in the juice. Then cook about a couple of minutes. Now everything is well cooked. Now I turn off the heat and ready to eat my supper. Wow, it is looking so yummy, delicious. Wonderful. Let me try. Nothing can stop me from eating. In this recipe, I put 2 big potatoes, so I have everything in this bowl. But if you don't like too much potato, you can put 1 potato, then you can eat this with rice.
Delicious!
I wish you like my recipe. Thank you so much for your watching. Keep good, take care, see you next time.